That was pretty intense.
I did not expect it to do that.
Brother, this thing is way faster.
We last left ya. We were ripping around my dad's property. Everything broke. The second idle air screw or idle whatever fucking screw fell out, wasn't idling. So we're gonna address that today. Instead of set screws, we're gonna try and just plug the hole, prevent the vacuum leak. And then we got a couple different modifications we're gonna do to try and get this thing going 40 mile an hour, at least. Preferably 140, but you know, that ain't gonna happen. But this is where we're at. So we're gonna get cracking on this thing, see if we can get it ripping. All right, I have this theory. We lost the idle air screw 2 times on the scooter. I have a set of set screws, and it just so happens that this little guy threads right in there. Now we also just got a straight pipe for this thing. So in theory, if we just plug the hole and it's getting all the fuel, maybe we'll be able to shoot some nasty flames with the straight pipe and it being rich as shit. All right, so the screw went in. Thread locker is setting up right now. We're gonna fire it up. As before, it was a giant vacuum leak because there's no screw plug in the hole and it wouldn't idle at all. We're gonna fire it up right now, see if the plug in the vacuum leak, if it's gonna flood it out, if it's gonna run it all. We're gonna see what happens. But either way, so let's fire it up.
First try?
Hell yeah. It's almost like we know what we're doing.
Almost.
So we got it to idle. We're gonna slam the pipe on here. Freshy boy, brand new. JDM is son. Look at this. We got the megaphone on the end. Ooh, baby boy. Fresh eBay gaskets. Fresh Chinesium studs, or screws, I'm sorry. We can get this thing on here, popping flames, gonna be JDM as fuck, boy. We just put the pipe on. We haven't fired it up yet. We wanna catch it for you guys. Check it. Brand new fresh boy. Nothing in there. She's super clean. Hasn't been started. We about to fire it up for the first time. I'm super hyped to hear what this thing sounds like and see if it made it any faster. Without further ado, you ready?
We ready. Fix our broken seat, but we'll get there.
This governor absolutely has to go.
Oh, we know what we're doing next.
Yeah, exactly. Now that it's got the megaphone, the straight pipe, it's louder than hell. You can 100% hear that we're hitting the governor. The surging that we were talking about in the last video, that's it. It's the governor. So 100% that thing's coming out. We're gonna twang her to 8,000. Let it sing like the Honda she wants to be. Cause JDM is fuck, boy. Yo, we got some heat in the pipe now. Look at this unit. Woo! Bling bling, baby. All right, we ripped it with the pipe on. Sounds badass, but it's still hitting the governor. The governor is the main thing that's holding us back right now. It seems that it hits the governor harder. Maybe it's just the noise, so it seems way more dramatic. It's flowing a little bit better and it hits the governor and then knocks it back a little bit. So we're still hanging out 21, 22 mile an hour. It'll peak at 28 and the governor knocks it back. We got a new clutch and sprocket. What was on it was a 12 tooth. It was a 5-to-1 ratio. I bought a 15 tooth, which will bring us down to a 4-to-1 ratio. We needed to rob parts off of the old clutch to get this new one together. So we're gonna put the new clutch and sprocket on first before we take the governor off, just for the sake of testing everything, because it'll definitely affect bottom end power and top end speed and all that stuff. So we still might get more mile an hour out of it because the RPM ain't gonna be twanged out. We're gonna smack that on, see where we go. And then after that, we're gonna pull it back off, pull the governor out, and then hopefully with the new gear, the pipe, and the governor removed, we'll be able to get 40 mile an hour out of this motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
That's the plan right now. We're gonna get cracking, slamming these parts on. Catch you in a sec.
My guess is 11 or 12.
13.
Yeah, that's what I said, 13.
Yep. Oh, she about to run. Yeah, something I didn't spend too much time thinking about is we got 10 foot of chain and we cut it wrong too many times, so we might have to go get another if what we already have doesn't work. So we finna see.
Or at the very least, a new master link to add like 2 links or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally like, what, 1 link too short it looks like?
It's so close. Dang it. All right, boys, we fucked ourselves right in the ass. We gotta make another run to Tractor Supply, get another chain, or if we can just get the master length, but we're 1 link short and we don't have enough chain to cut it to size. So back to Tractor Supply. All right, boys, we are back from the hardware store. We got the chain on. The problem that we're running into is, now that we had to extend it a little bit, it is 1 link too long, but with the way the master link is set up, it has to be an outside link, so you can't take out just the inner link, because then you have 2 outside links that connect to each other, and we don't have the link to connect that. I'm sure we can get one, but we're trying to rip this thing right now. So she's got a little more slack in her than what seems like it should, but we're gonna send it anyways. So chain's on with the new sprocket. This is a 15 tooth, and we'll see what it gets us for 1 mile an hour. All right, she's ripping, boys. Lara's about to take her out on the maiden voyage. What do you think? Does it feel faster?
Yeah, I got up to 33.
33?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother!
And it just keeps tilting down, so I don't know if I was able to look at it like with the camera.
Oh, I got you. 33 miles an hour out of a gear change. We gotta get that governor out of there.
Oh, absolutely. Full nuts. It feels sketchier.
Just the way we like it, baby.
Absolutely. Next we'll jump it at Sean's.
Yeah, that's right. No suspension. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna take the Sean's and hit the jump. You gotta hit it this time. I'm done. I'm still healing.
Break my legs.
Yep.
My legs!
We gotta go and back up that speed, so I'm gonna go rip it. I wanna feel how sketchy it feels now. Brother, this thing is way faster. The governor doesn't seem to hit as hard.
No.
I don't know what you felt. I don't know how much more this thing can handle and how much more it's gonna spin. Hopefully we don't blow it up and that chain doesn't wrap around Lars's ankle. The next step is taking out the governor and see if we can get the 40. All right, boys, we got all the clutch and stuff off, and we gotta pull this cover here. Behind there, the governor sits. It's a little plastic gear back here. Yank that boy off, slam her back on in reverse order, and it should be ready to go 187. She's about to rip, boys. About to rip.
Better than I'll be there to catch you when you fall.
Heyo. There's our governor.
Safety squints. What about the safety squints?
Oh. All right, boys. We got the governor removed. Straight pipe is on. We plugged the hole, so it's getting all the fuel, at idle at least. I'm not a big carb guy. I'm not a big fuel injection guy, so who knows what's going on. Get too much fuel, straight pipe, and no governor. What do you get? Flames. So before we take it out on its maiden rip, we're gonna see if we can get this thing to shoot some flames. Got the lights, Lars.
So, filming.
Brother, I did not expect it to do that.
That was pretty intense.
Yep, I expected it to shoot flames, but I did not expect it to be that fucking rowdy. The straight pipe, the fuel, no governor. I'm like, yeah, there's no way it doesn't shoot flames. But that thing is just absolutely rowdy as
I
shit.
think it's time we unleash this bad boy on the streets.
Hell yeah, say less.
We gotta get out of them county roads.
Closed course in Mexico.
Yeah.
We're about to go take this thing on a long stretch of road, let her stretch her legs, and see what kind of mile an hour we get. Check this out. Oh yeah, baby. You already know what it is. Package secured, boys. This is that pizza of the people right here.
Do you want one?
Yeah, fuck yeah. We gotta quench our thirst. We're responsible, Dad, so we're drinking that NA.
Yeah, we have to stay out of prison.
We live in Wisconsin, baby. You're either a recovering alcoholic or you are an alcoholic. We're in the recovery part.
That's right.
But it's go time, baby. We're out in the middle of nowhere. We're unloading. Get a running start down the hill a little bit. See if we can get this thing cooking at least 40. Anything over 40, I'm happy.
You ready?
Go, boys. Top speed run number 1. Let's go. You ready, Lars?
I'm ready.
All right, let's rip. Are we gonna do a little dig race? 0 to 30?
Sounds good.
All right, you count her down. Oh, we got somebody coming. Let's go, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dang it, Bobby, that's exactly what we don't want.
What happened?
We lost the chain, boys.
Oh,
We lost the master link.
a good thing we got a 4-pack.
Good thing it happened like when we were only going like 20 and it didn't fucking go at 40 and like jam up, lock up the wheel or something.
Good thing we didn't lose the chain.
Yeah, thank God we didn't lose the chain. I don't know what we would have done if we lost the chain. Fuck my life. But let's load this thing up and go make some repairs, boys. All right, boys, we went to an undisclosed location in Mexico, private roads. We let our nuts hang. We hit the 40 miles an hour. We put the pipe on it. We put the gear on it, took the governor off, and we let it eat. What do we do next? What's next with it? We broke the chain. The chain didn't break, but we lost a master link. We knew it had some extra slop in it. It's sketchy as hell. I love it, but now what? What's the move? You tell me. Comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If this is the first video of ours that you're seeing, I'll put the first video of us bringing this thing back from the dead. Click on that one, watch the first one, and this one will make more sense. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat all your peaches and pizza, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.